If you struggle with dry and aging skin, then stop scrolling. You might be missing key ingredients that can transform your routine. Today, I am showing you step by step my exact morning routine. I've been finding that this keeps my skin hydrated, glowing, and firm all day. Keep watching and you will learn how to protect, nourish, and rejuvenate your skin. Hello beauties, welcome back to Beauty Beyond 50 by Corinne. Today, I will be breaking down step by step my morning skincare routine using powerful anti-aging ingredients like hyaluronic acid, peptides, and don't forget ceramides. Before I go any further, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and most importantly, ring the bell so that you'll be notified when my videos are uploaded. All right, let's dive in. Here's my morning skincare routine that keeps my skin hydrated and youthful. Step 1 is a gentle cleanse. I start with the Paula's Choice Resist Optimal Results Hydrating Cleanser. This removes dirt while keeping my skin soft and hydrated. Step 2 is exfoliate. Now, I only exfoliate every other day. I find if I do every day, it's just too harsh on my skin. I follow up with the ordinary glycolic acid 7% to gently exfoliate and brighten my skin. If you have sensitive skin, use this only every other day. Step 3 is my vitamin C serum. I apply the Timeless Skincare Vitamin C Serum with vitamin E and ferulic acid. This antioxidant powerhouse helps protect against sun damage and boosts collagen. So after I'm finished applying the vitamin C, I will wait 1 to 2 minutes before I go on to the next step. So to kill time, I will usually apply my deodorant and my perfume. Step 4 is my niacinamide treatment. I follow up with the Clinique Even Better Clinical Radical Dark Spot Corrector. This helps even the skin tone and strengthen the barrier. Step 5 is ceramides for hydration. Ceramides are essential for moisture retention, so I use the Elizabeth Arden Ceramide Advanced Time Complex Capsules. Step 6, don't forget your neck. For my neck care, I apply the Strivectin Tighten and Lift Advanced Neck Cream for firming and hydration. Step 7, Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizer. For deep hydration, I apply Tatcha, the Dewy Skin Cream. This keeps my skin plump and glowing, and it smells so beautiful. Step 8, Peptides for firmness. I use the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum, even in the morning. This is great to support collagen production. At this point in my skincare, I want all of my skincare products to absorb properly into my skin. So this is where I will take a break from my skincare and I will go get dressed and do my hair.
A few moments later.
Now we're ready to move on to step 9. Which is sunscreen. This is most important in my skincare routine because it does protect against the sun. If I am applying a full face of makeup, I will try to use a primer that has an SPF infused in it. I have both the Lancome UV Expert Defense 50 sunscreen, and I also have the Bobbi Brown Primer Plus Protection SPF 50. So I guess it depends on how I'm feeling that day. I will use either one of these underneath my makeup. However, if I'm not going to wear any makeup, I will use just a normal sunscreen. I'm a really big fan of the Haru Wonder. This is the Black Rice Pure Mineral Relief Daily Sunscreen SPF 50. But today I'm going to use this Drunk Elephant Ultimate Tint Mineral Cream. And this is Broad Spectrum Sunscreen SPF 30 and it's tinted. I got this little sample size. I don't know if it was from Shoppers Drug Mart or from Sephora, but I haven't tried it yet. So today, this is what I'm going to apply. Step 10 is the eye cream. I have been using the Ole Henriksen Banana Bright plus Vitamin C eye cream for a while now, and I absolutely love it. I apply this gently under the eyes to brighten and reduce dark circles. Step 11, lip balm. The Fresh Sugar Advanced Therapy Lip Treatment Balms are the bomb. They are so hydrating, so smooth, and they nourish your lips all day long. I have so many of these around the house. These are usually kept in my purse because they are tinted. This one I keep with my morning skincare routine. I also have one downstairs by my chair that I can use throughout the day. So these are really good for your lips. Absolutely love these. And last but not least, hand cream. I've been using the Moroccan oil hand cream. This is the perfect finishing touch for hydrated, soft hands throughout the day. I absolutely love this hand cream and it smells like springtime. Okay, well, that is all I have. That is my complete morning skincare routine. If you found this video informative and helpful, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, comment below what your morning skincare routine looks like. I would love to hear from you. Thank you all so much for joining me. Bye, beauties.